since AD is the median of triangle ABC, therefore BD must be equal to DC. That is, D is the midpoint of BC. Now, if D is the midpoint of BC, that means now if you consider this triangle PBC here, this triangle if you consider, that means PD must also be the median of this triangle. Thus, PD is the median of triangle PBC. Okay. Now, if PD is the median of triangle ABC, then therefore area of triangle PBD must be equal to area of triangle PDC, and that is what we are required to prove. And why should I say so? Why should I say that the area of these two triangles are equal? Because PD is the median, and we know that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. That's it. Because this line here, PD is the median, therefore area of this triangle must be equal to area of this triangle, because we know from the theorem that
Yes.
the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of
Yes, sir.
That's it. So this was a straightforward problem for at least the first part. Let's see the next part. The next part says you have to prove that the area of triangle ABP. This time, which triangle are they talking about? This time they are talking about this triangle. You need to show that these two area of these two triangles are equal. So let's see. Let's draw it afresh. This time you will have to show that area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Okay. So how will you show? We start by saying that AD is the median since AD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABD area of triangle ABD must be equal to area of triangle ADC. That means area of this triangle here, this entire triangle, must be equal to area of this triangle. That is what I've written. Now from these two, call this one. Also, We have proved earlier, in just now I have proved that area of triangle PBD must be equal to area of triangle PDC. Call this 2 and as proved in 1 above. Okay. And why is 1 there? Because AD is a median. You will give your reason. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. You'll give your statement here. And now what you do is you subtract these two. Subtracting. You get area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle PBD is equal to area of triangle ADC minus area of triangle PDC. Okay. Now you tell me area of triangle ABD. From the entire triangle ABD, this triangle, if I subtract the area of this triangle, what will I be left with? I will only be left with this triangle, which is triangle ABP. So area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle PBD, if you subtract, you will get area of triangle APB. Similarly here, from the entire area ADC, this triangle ADC, if you subtract triangle PDC, that is you are subtracting this triangle here, you're only left with this triangle, that is triangle ACP. That's it. That is what you wanted to prove. And our proof is complete. Proved. Did everyone understand? This chapter you will find it very boring. Let me tell you, unless you are thorough with your theorems. Okay, so I will not do much here. It seems I'll stop here.